Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming device model and OS build so fixes match your system. Once done, backup bookmarks and iCloud data to avoid losses. Next, close all Safari tabs and force quit the app. This clears transient hangs. Disable every extension and clear the cache to remove corrupted scripts. Make sure to free at least 20% storage so Safari can rebuild caches. These immediate steps remove common blockers and prepare your device for deeper troubleshooting without risking data. Now perform a deep cleanup. You reset Safari preferences, clear history and website data to remove persistent bad entries. Once done, check Safari's experimental features and turn each back to default, because a single flag can break rendering. Make sure to reset DNS and network settings to fix connectivity quirks, then reboot the device. Finally, update the OS and Safari. Installing patches often resolves hidden incompatibilities. These steps rebuild core settings and network state so Safari can run cleanly. Finish by re-enabling extensions one at a time in testing, because that isolates the culprit quickly. If Safari fails again, stop and remove the last extension you enabled. If problems persist, create a new user profile or boot into safe mode to determine whether system-level software is interfering. Make sure to collect console logs and a reproducible step list if you must escalate. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, try a clean OS reinstall only after you have full backups and logs ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.